Good morning, everybody. I am back with a new video on how to free up space on your Windows PC. This video is going to be part of the series of small how-to videos I'm making to help you all in your daily lives. So, first step on freeing up storage space on your Windows PC. Do not ever delete System32 no matter what anybody tells you. It's a joke. If you delete System32, your system will get bricked. Okay, so moving on. The first way to free up space on your Windows PC device is to uninstall some apps. So the way you do this is you go to your control panel. The way you go to the control panel is by clicking the search button and searching control panel. It will show up over here. Press open. Go to programs and uninstall a program. Click that, and from here you will be able to see all the apps that you've ever downloaded on your device and how to uninstall them. By clicking the app, you can press uninstall or change or repair if the options are available. Okay, the next way to free up space is to use the disk cleaner. Now, when you use your PC over time, there will be some extra caches which will be stored on your thing but may not be removed. So the way that you can remove them is by going here to the search area and searching disk cleanup, then click run as administrator. Then select the drive you want to clean up and press OK. It will clean up your drive. Next, you can delete unnecessary files. Now I know this is one of the most obvious things, but you may be surprised at how many files you have saved over time that you really don't need now. Goodness knows what all I have over here. I'll clean them up another day. Okay, next, you can use storage sense. So you go to the search area and search storage sense, and then you go to this, any of them that mention storage sense, just click them, and now you switch on storage sense, make it run every day, and then you just clean now. Another thing that you can do is to see which are the things that are taking up the most space on your device. Now if you have multiple users, this is actually pretty useful, because like before I had multiple users and they hadn't cleaned the recycle bins. So when I went over here, I saw that temporary apps were taking temporary files like the recycle bin and caches and all that were taking up 93 GB on my device. That's a lot. So when you come over here, let them all load, then you will be able to see what is taking up the most space, then go into that category and fix it up. You can also see how much space is used and how much space will be free. So let's just speed this video up a little. Okay, so as you can see, my desktop folder is taking up the most space, 50 GB. So I can click over here, view desktop and manage files. Other than that, I have apps and features, so I'll go there and then it will give me a list of apps and features that I have on my device, and I could come here and filter by size, and it would show me the highest sizes and how and you could go here and click uninstall. Okay, so now this is the last thing, and what it is that you go into your folders which you don't normally use, because what I'm about to show you here is how to use NTFS compression. Now this is just slightly compressing your files in a way that you can still open them fast enough, but it will be little slower. Use this on folders that you don't open that regularly, and your apps also should not be opening them regularly, because unzipping and compressing them takes a while, just small amount of time. So how you do that is, suppose I don't use this Ventoy folder regularly, I only had to use it once or twice. So you go here, click on the Ventoy folder, go to properties, go to advanced, and then compress contents to save disk space, and that's how it will do. Then you press OK, then you press apply, and then it will show this. You say apply to folders, subfolders and files, and then press OK and let it go. So now it's done. You will be able to see that it's done that compression thing by seeing the small tiny compression thing right there. Okay, so that has been it for this video. I hope you learned something, and if you did, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I hope you learned something, and have a good day.